Hi, welcome to Mark's Basement Arcade. Today we're going to be doing the center, well, basically only drop target on Williams Cyclone. So first thing, are you a subscriber? Get down there and hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Drop me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Anyways, first thing I always say is take pictures. You can never have too many pictures. Because you screw up, or let's say your phone rings and you got emergency and you have to split. Well, chances are when you come back home, are you going to remember exactly everything you just did? The exact sequence of taking everything apart, putting everything back together? Probably not. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, sometimes I leave these games alone for weeks. So for me, pictures. We'll be replacing that bulb too. And we gotta remember that bulb is a smaller screw. So what we're gonna do is gonna take that bulb screw and put it back. Well, kind of put it back. There. Yeah, we're not getting that one off with the screwdriver. That one's coming off the old-fashioned way. That's probably gonna be the first one that comes off. Well, the last one that goes back. First one that goes back on, I should say. There. We got 4 screws. This thing comes right out. Very simple mech. Very simple. Alright, what we want to do first, I gotta do 2 things. I have to get this drop target off and get the drop target soaking, because I have to clean this horrible decal off of it. What is holding me? We have a spring. I want to get a picture of that spring. There. All right. Those are all the same screws. Those are the same pieces. And that is just held on by a little screw that we will unscrew. This, I'm going to go get in soaking right now We're going to tighten these back up. Tighten these screws back up there. I'm going to get this soaking in some hot water to make this nasty decal come off, so I'll be right back. Alright, while that is soaking, we can work on getting this apart, which looks like it's going to be very interesting. I have never taken one of these apart before, so this should theoretically just slide down. However, these two screws right here are holding the bobbin from actually coming out. But that was it. Okay, we get that apart. We're going to get this. One more picture of that. I'm going to go look for a coil sleeve for this, and we will be right back. And there we go, we got a brand new one. So we will take this, start cleaning all this assembly up. If everything's just got a little weird to you, it's because I unkicked the power cord loose and my camera has been working on battery and the battery died. So my camera just did a full reset and it changed the position of everything, so I'm trying to get zoomed back into the same spot. So I don't know if we are or not. And I believe this came up from the bottom like that. Yes. We can zoom this out, I guess. We're just cleaning some parts here. I have that piece soaking right now in hot water with a little Dawn power wash to get all the dirt off of it. Helps soak that sticker to break loose the adhesive that's on it, because that stuff, what it does, it hardens up like really stupid hard. And where's my scrubby? It hardens up really super hard, and then it's like cement almost. Try to get that off. This is my 3M scrubby. Yeah, it's like cement getting that junk off. And none of this is getting lubricated at all. None of this is metal to metal. None of it is just, yeah, metal to metal where it needs to get lubricated. But this thing is just nasty. Figure all these years this thing has never been separated. So it's just dirty and stained and nasty. We're going to get at that though. That's 91% rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. clean every single insert. Everyone gets cleaned. Every bulb socket. Like this one gets cleaned. Like that. And as usual, we will get a brand new Comet bulb. These are warm white, frosted, non-ghosting. We use non-ghosting under the playfield to eliminate all that odd flicker you get with regular bulbs. Otherwise you can, if it's a switch light, you can get a weird flicker to it. It looks really crazy. Alright. We're doing good on time too. Alright. So now we need to get that coil and put this piece on properly. I think it was like that. But we will see. With my pictures. Yes. Alright. This. This. That. Look at that. So much better. That will hang out there. So now I need to get that drop target, get it cleaned off really good, put the new sticker on, and then put that back together. So we will be right back. All nice and clean. Like I said, this was sitting in Dawn Power Wash with super hot water. This peeled up real nice with a razor blade, and then I used the isopropyl alcohol and kind of like scratch it with my fingernail, and that loosened up all this icky old cement glue. It kind of turns it into like slime, let's say that. And I just kept wiping it off with my blue towels I use. Here's a new sticker for this drop target. Make sure your hands are clean when you redo these. And mine are, because I just washed them. Push that really good down with my shirt and my thumb, and just kind of like massage it on the drop target. Like that. That's perfect. Alright, so now we're going to take this spring, put it back around there, get our screw, put it in the hole, tighten the screw back down, and in turn that will hold the spring. The spring actually just has like a little nub that it goes around that holds it in. That's all that has. Nothing special about it. And then we put these screws through like that, and we got to tighten them down. Okay, I'm just going to start them with the screwdriver. Get them almost tight, just so I can still manipulate things. Loosen it up a little bit. Get one in here. Oh, that dog is just running around the house like crazy. It's almost night time for him. Oh, date stamp. Saturday, November 25th, 6:50 p.m. Central Time. If that helps you with anything, I like doing that because you're going to see this video a long time after this game is even, you know, it's finished, delivered, been played like crazy. By the time you guys see any of this video, this game will be home with its owner and enjoyed again. Come on, get in there. Find that. There it goes. I had to manipulate it to get the screw in where it needed to be. Okay. Now that we got that kind of like that, I'm going to hold this piece tight and then drive these screws in. That will hold the bracket assembly. Together. That bulb. What are we tangled onto? We're not tangled onto really anything. Oh, I remember I tucked it around weird. That was it. Alright. Now, those screws, remember this one was really goofy. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that is kind of loose there. We'll see if they have any problems with that light in the future. There. Don't even tell me, people, if I missed anything. This is just a pain putting back together. Well, not really. Actually, this one wasn't too bad. I've had worse assemblies. I can't say this one was bad. This one was actually pretty easy to put back together. It's just very awkward for me to show you how to do it, just because I'm not comfortable, because I'm in weird positions. As with all these videos that I do for you guys, usually I'm in some weird position. Yeah, seems pretty good to me. It's nice and set in the right spot. We'll get the screw out. Get this down in there. Get that in there. These nut drivers I have are not magnetic. And they don't want to be magnetic. Trust me, I've tried to make them magnetic. There. That will come up when it's the right side, you know what I mean? I'm just hoping I am going to take that out and fix it. But while I'm doing that, please give me a like, subscribe. Oh, that is just so. Let's wait, that is okay. Because that is attached to that. Okay, never mind then. I just thought that socket was bad. But it's attached to itself. So it's not losing our ground or anything. But yeah, drop a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe down there. There'll be some cool stuff along the bottom of the screen. Thumbs up. I hope this helped you with your Comet. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Take care and later.